garage, there's a small room where my husband used to use as a working area. So this project is to add a window 2x3, take out the water switch and the black pipe, take out the wooden frame around the door and the baseboard. Finally, put wood panel all around the room, including the door. So the detail to handle the door switch is very important and full of detail. What you see now is the original paint color, and this is the water switch, this is the black pipe, and this is the wooden frame. The wood frame needs to be removed so the wood panel can be installed around the door and the door can have its shape. It looks like a small job, but as it turned out, it's not that easy to do. See, they had to dig a hole and they had to buy the utility to stop the water. This is the day that they are working on the water part. Even though the room is small, all the detail is still important. As we are remodeling the kitchen, the crew just used their spare time to prepare the room and take care of the water switch and the pipe and install the wood panel. Take a look at the door. It will be for the wood panel very soon. Voila! Some wood panel has been put on. This is the left wall and the window wall and the right wall. As you can see, 吴师傅 clearly cut off the area for the outlet and the switch, and the door frame has been taken out and all the baseboard has been taken out. It starts to look pretty good. Now it's more complete. This is the time where most of the wood panel has been put on. I forgot to show you how they stop the water, but Wu Shifu is working so hard, especially handle the door detail in such a great elegant style. At first, we cannot lock the door, but my husband handled that. Wood panel quality is not as good as I hope, but the effect is pretty good. So let's just focus on the positive side. Here you can see the door detail. Even around the door, we put the black thing, so the contrast looks really good. And now Casey put the table on facing the wall side, and that made the working environment very unique and easy to work with. I'm very happy with the small working office turnout. Here you will see the final product when everything is installed, including the window. And the ceiling handling part. This is, I think all the detail is handling very professional. And as you see, when I closed the door, it made the room look so elegant and easy to work as a working environment at home. The soundproof wood panel hopefully can stop the sound as people work in this small work office. As we work here, we will enjoy the office. This is the look from outside. Do you like it? Please give the videotape a thumbs up. Thank you. We are working to take out the sticker inside the window. We will know the outcome in 2 to 3 weeks. Here is the last look of the before and after. It costs about $4,000 to do this little room. Please like the video and comment. Tell me what you think.